Okay everybody, good morning. It is Monday the 8th of August. We're packing up here today at California Chalet Touring Park and we're heading northwest-ish, I think that's right, to one more campsite near Shrewsbury before we hit our main destination of Snowdonia in Wales. So a lot of driving to do today, but we'll take you with us and we'll see some sights along the way, maybe a couple of stop-offs. It's a 3 or 4 hour drive, the route that we're taking. We're trying to avoid the motorways. Yeah, so got to pack up this mess and then hit the road. Just going for a little walk before we leave the campsite. There's a footpath that way, I don't know where that goes. I thought there was one that went that way as well, but we are going to try and walk around or see a bit of this lake, which is quite pretty. I think there's a that's I think there's a gap here, is there? I saw some people go down a path here, so let's see where that leads. So this is the other side of the lake from our campsite, which is Campground is over there. Yeah, it's pretty neat, but let's carry on and see if we can see something else. And I think ahead of us is a play park, so I'm going to put the camera away. But great for the kids if you are visiting this area. And it looks like there's a coffee shop as well, so it's pretty good. So that's a pretty cool little play park if you have kids. There's a coffee shop there as well, which I wasn't quite impressed with because they had these nice big fancy machines and we asked for takeaway cups. And instead of using it out of the ground beans and the proper big coffee making machines, they turn around and put a cup under a thing and press the button. So not too convinced about that, and we paid the same, £3. So this is Ringo, so I'm just checking for parking, so I'm going back now to get the camper van. Okay, so there we go, that ends our stay here at California Chalet Touring Park. Back to get the van now and we are off Wales bound. We're heading to Shrewsbury first. We're going to stop over at a place called Cartref, so we will see you on the road. So that is the end of our stay at California Chalet. Like I said, we are now just leaving the car park. My thoughts quickly, there is a review that you may have seen. It's pretty good. The facilities are really quite basic, but it's quite near that park which we've just discovered, and it's in such a beautiful area. So, and it's obviously close by to Legoland and Windsor and Ascot and places like that. So definitely recommend it if you're visiting the area, or should I say if you're visiting the area, let's pronounce my T's. And we're hitting the road now for a 4-hour drive up to Shrewsbury and stopping at Cartref Caravan and Motorhome Club site on the way. So I'm just going to park here so I can drop in the key fob that we use for the gates, and I will be back in a second. Right, there we go. Done, and we are now picking up Suzanne and Max from the play park and hitting the road. So see you on the road, no doubt. We are about maybe 40% into our journey. We have just stopped here at Little Services for lunch. It's very, very sunny. Still right by the motorway, so we can hear there was an A road actually. We can still hear the road churning along in that way. Yeah, quick lunch stop before about another 2 hours to go I think, so we are making good progress. So it is so sunny here. We have arrived at Cartref Caravan and Camping Park, and it is such a cute little site. We love it. First impressions are amazing. Privacy on these pictures is great. Manicured, really, really good. We're going to show you around obviously, but first things first, we are going to get the awning out. We're not going to put our full awning up today because we're only here for one night. So we are just going to get the wind out awning out and tables and chairs and stuff, and then we're going to head down to the bar because there's a little bar here and see what they have to offer. So first impressions, we like it. This is washing tablets, by the way. So we have set these things up for the first time and we are going to do a video on that. I've got my cap on and the sun is out, so you may not see my face.
We'll do a video of that in future. So
yep, so we've set these up first time and we are about to just go to the laundry area to do some washing and do some laundry and have a drink in the bar and play some games. We have just come back from the bar, great little bar down there. The drinks are reasonable, good atmosphere, really like it down there. Closes at 7, so it's now 7:05, so we think it's shutting any minute, but we come back to the van now and we are going to do pizza. We have our new pizza stone, which is going to solve all our problems, and fingers crossed, pizza, corn on the cob and potatoes. It's going to be good. Okay, I always start with okay. Pizza time. So pizza stone's been warming for 15, there's some sun, 15-20 minutes, so no, 5-10 minutes, so let's see how it cooks. Okay, I've had to turn my hat round so I can take pictures. So the top of the pizza is getting hot, the cheese is melting, the pepperoni is getting hot and the bottom isn't burning, so this is going to be good. Yes, this is gonna be beautiful. And it was. That pizza was yeah, it was perfect. We heated the pizza stone for about 8 or 10 minutes, and then threw the pizza on for about another 8 minutes or so. Base was done perfect, crispy, top was warm, cheese was gooey, meat was cooked. Yeah, so much better than the last ones we've done. So we may throw together a quick video at some point on what we did in case anyone else is struggling, but it's not complicated. You get the pizza stone with the metal base and it's a breeze. So okay, wash up time.